Big reveal in 3, 2. Hey, welcome everybody. This is John, the Net Guy. We are doing a U.S. Coast Guard theme build here. It's under this. I'm going to be able to show you the machine that is under this, the case, and then we're going to build it together. This is going to be a really cool, fun evening. There's also going to be a trivia game as well. So I want to invite you guys to play that trivia game with me. This is all for my stepson, Jacob, who has graduated from the U.S. Coast Guard Boot Camp over the summer, and now he's out there in the inclement weather on the coast, protecting people, saving lives. So it's very, very proud of him. And this machine is going to be an awesome looking gamer. Like I said earlier, we've got 2 GPUs, we've got 2 CPUs, we've got 2 hard drive choices, and he's going to get the option to win these, but he's absolutely going to need your help. So are you ready to see the new machine that I got for you?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get on the second camera here. The big reveal, finally. You said you wanted a gaming machine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, big reveal in 3, 2. Okay. There you go. This is an awesome machine. I hope you love it. It's going to be really cool. It's an NZXT H510. So this machine is for a full-size ATX motherboard. You can put pretty much anything in it. And you didn't know much about what's happening today. We've kind of kept you in the dark. You have a trivia game you're going to get to play.
Why?
The people in the chat are going to get to help you. Thank goodness. It's a nerd trivia game. And depending on how you do answering these, you can get upgraded parts for your build. You know, this is kind of this is a good one, and this is the base model. And then we have an upgraded one that you can get here. It's got Wi-Fi and everything and extra slots and all that stuff. Same thing with chips. You're going to get multiple chip options here. So I need to pull these side by side. Sorry. Got to see Jacob's reaction. And then same thing with hard drives. So you're always running out of space when you're playing all those games. This is a 1 terabyte solid state drive that you can win if you answer the questions right. Are you ready to play? U.S. Coast Guard gaming build trivia. May your odds be ever underwater. Well, technically it's nerd stuff. Okay. So I think you might need the chat people here. It's going to be kind of like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. You're going to get a choice here, multiple choice. Let's start with the first thing here. And again, there's $525 worth of prizes that you can win here on this. Right now in the machine, we're going to have a 256 gig storage. So not a lot. That's like Warzone and Windows. That's about all you can do. You have a chance here to win an upgraded storage. Are you ready for the first question, Jacob?
Yeah.
It's a Halo question. It's a gaming question. Halo has been one of the longest running game franchises in Xbox history. In what year was the game first released? Now, before you answer, we got to say final answer on these, just to be safe. I don't want to accidentally, take away points from you if I don't have to. And you can ask the audience if you're not completely sure, but you can't Google anything. Got it?
Okay.
No Googling. So the audience delay is maybe 12 seconds. Are you having a gut feeling on any one of these in any specific direction?
I know it started on the Xbox. What year did the Xbox 360 come out?
Ooh, that's a long time ago. I don't know if I can help you. Do you need a phone a friend? Is that what I'm seeing? This is a tough one.
I'm gonna say.
Oh, there is a guy in this chat. Oh, okay. 2001 is the correct answer. You got that one right. Lucky. 2001. Oh, and Chandler Freeman got in there. Oh man, too many people helping out here. And let's see. Zach was giving you help in the chat. He said C. Jacob has won the upgraded storage. So Jacob, you've got the opportunity here. See if we can get us a little bit bigger. Oh, that made you a lot bigger. So yeah, this is the upgraded hard drive. That's what we're going to put in it. This thing is awesome. So you've already got $50 in our makeshift game show. The next item up is going to be the chip. So there's two chips here. One of them is a 3600, which is a solid chip. I'll give you that. It's a good machine. It's going to be a good chip to go. But then there is the 5600X, which is the 5000 series. It's got all of the position boost overdrive. So Jacob, the next question is going to win you a $100 CPU upgrade. This thing just kicks butt. Again, with the new video cards, they actually do share a lot of memory and stuff. There's some bus advantages. You definitely want this one. I can tell you that. This one over here is okay, but you want the higher speed CPU, and it'll play Warzone awesome. Are you ready for the next question?
Yeah.
Okay, I got to pull Zach's answer down here because it might be different. I'm guessing it'll be different. Okay, we're back to Coast Guard questions. In the 2006 movie, The Guardian, Kevin Costner's character, Ben Randall, lives and works in what Alaskan city? Now, before you answer, how often do they play that movie?
It's Kodiak.
Oh, he knows it right away. Is that a final answer? That sounded firm. Are you sure?
Because there's only the Anchorage is gone, the Steak is gone, Kodiak, and it's got to be Kodiak, Alaska. So they have the actual aviation station there, so it's got to be Kodiak.
Correct answer. Jacob wins a $100 CPU upgrade. I'm jealous of this one. I like that. Okay, we're going to put this guy back on the shelf over here. Maybe we'll play again. Maybe we should play one of these. What do you think, Jacob? With somebody from YouTube. Let's let one of the visitors or listeners play one day. That could be pretty fun and stressful as well, right?
Yeah.
So that's the AMD Ryzen 5600X. Again, 6-core, 12-thread, 5000 series AMD. This goes really good with one of the next items that you can win. It's going to do really well in a B450, B550 motherboard. This is the X570, which is the one you want, Jacob. They're both
I don't think
Wi-Fi.
you switched the screen yet.
Oh, I'm not there yet, but okay, here we go. I'll pull this up.
Oh, what? Oh, now I see it.
So now you see it. So there's the ASRock B550 HDV, which I actually got that wrong. I thought I had that in stock. I actually had the B550M Pro HDV, which is very, very similar. Both of these products are great. This one's going to have room for multiple CPUs, more drives. The 570 chipset has more power. That was pretty good. Oh, Zachary, here he goes. He says, that was impressive in the chat. He was impressed with that. Awesome. You're feeling ready on this one, Jacob?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, we may need some help. And Zachary says, those tough boards are really nice, which is an understatement. Those things are awesome. I do like that. It was one of my first boards, but not the 570. I couldn't afford that. This is a $125 board upgrade alone on this. And it's a Matrix question. I don't know if you've had a chance to see the new one, but which feature-length Matrix movie? Now, somebody, my tech auditors that have seen some of these questions, they actually said that I had it wrong because it's not Matrix 2. It's Matrix something, and Matrix 3 is the other one, and the last one is Resurrections. So, Jacob, do you think you know this one, or do you think you might need some help with this one?
I'll probably need help.
Okay. Now, I hope, I'm going to pop these chat messages up. You can probably see them too, but
yeah,
I hope that these people are really, really nice to you. We're asking which is the best Matrix according to audience reviews. While we're waiting here, B550s and X570s do mostly work interchangeably. Board quality can improve performance marginally. Overclocking is better. So if you ever did want to overclock that CPU, the new board is better. I got Andrew in here, and he's been very, very helpful, Jacob. He is saying A. Have you seen all of these?
No.
Okay, that's going to make it
harder. I've only
harder.
seen the first one, so I'm going to have to say A.
Uh-oh. Stephanie is helping us out here. She's saying B. Never mind, C. I don't know if I would take that. She's kind of floundered a little bit there. And I see an A in here, and there's also this other A in chat from an Arabella. She says A. I don't know.
I'm going to have to do A.
A final answer?
Yes.
A final answer. You have won the X570 because all of the other matrices are garbage. And the fourth is the worst. I hate to say it. I don't know. I won't give you guys any spoilers, but I hate the new Matrix with a passion. There's something seriously wrong with those writers. So I'm just going to pull us back up here, Jacob, so they can see this. So this is the X570. Now I'm going to pull this board back up because this is how we start to build a PC, and we're going to build this thing in front of you here. So I'm going to put this thing away for now, but it's going to come back and make a showing because the motherboard is the basis of your computer build. So you've got the nicest motherboard I think I have in the house. So that's going to make me jealous for no end. I'm going to put that off to the side. We have a couple more things to win. And, one of those things, let me go pull up real quick here, is very expensive, actually. Right now, you can't get a graphics card to save your life. Graphics cards, I don't know if you've seen them. They're more than an Xbox for an entry-level graphics card, right?
Well, you can't lose then.
You technically can't lose because I went and looked up the cost of these graphics cards. I'm going to pull up the next item up here. So you have a chance. The graphics card you have right now going into this build is right now on Amazon $730 because it's over MSRP right now. This is the GTX 1070 8 gig, which is a fantastic graphics card. I'm going to pull this thing up full screen for a sec, Jacob, so they can see it. So this is the super clocked edition of that. So that's the graphics card. Now, they have ports on the back here for additional power. So this is the super clocked. It's not a bad card. So this GTX 1070 is nice, but the Sapphire RX 6600 XT. Now, you can get the 6600. I think it was about $550. I'm going to pull that up. Again, supply issues being as they were, you could get it earlier today. Now you can't buy this thing at all. So this one is not purchasable. This one is the latest one that has come out for 1080p gaming, which I know you like to game non-curved screens. So this is going to be a tough question because this one's kind of nerdy and it stumped my nerdy friends, but you're talking about a $250 difference between these upgrades. So we're going to have a pretty good, tough question. And actually, Andrew just pointed this out. I want to point that out to the people on Amazon as well. The 6600 XT can get you 1440p performance level, which is absolutely true. So if you want to do the quad HD, some of the 27-inch monitors do that. So that's a good point. I'm just going to bring this machine up again. If you guys haven't seen this, and if you're just joining us, this is John, the Net Guy. We are doing a trivia game show with Jacob. Oh, by the way, if you want to friend him on Xbox, you totally can because, this case is customized. Did I show you that? It has your gamer tag. Hopefully I got that right. Did I get that right, Jacob?
Yes.
So you got your gamer tag. Now, if you want to put others, we can put them in here. Rank badges need to start going up, man. I'm just saying.
They're going to go up.
And once we do that, then you can see there's a rank badge on the lower front by the NZXT logo. In this case, there's a big coaster.
Hope they're interchangeable.
They are interchangeable, and we will print unlimited free upgraded rank badges when you're ready. Are you ready for the next question that is going to win you possibly this ridiculously expensive GPU?
Yeah.
Okay, here it is. Have you seen The Hitchhiker's Guide, Jacob?
I've seen it once.
In 1979, Douglas Adams' classic, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, this item is said to be the massively useful thing. Now, if any recent experience is future, toilet paper seems like a great answer. That's what we tend to run out of. A knife could also be good. Spice, and D, a towel. Now, this is a tough one. This is a $250 upgrade they're playing for. Do you think you know this one?
No, I'm going to need help.
He's playing for $250, people. You're going to have to help him. This is a lot of people.
Oh, I remember now because the guy pulled up it's got to be D, towel.
It's got to be
Always
D.
bring your towel.
If you look into the backdrop of this question, there is one thing that somebody is carrying out of this list. And it's technically...
I just realized it too.
Andrew, oh man, see, now, I don't know, this might be too easy. Maybe I've got to do like really hard questions next time. Okay, so that is D, a towel. Is the final answer, Jacob?
Yeah.
Okay, it's correct. So you've won the RX 6600 XT from Sapphire. So this is a brand new card. It's got 8 gigs of RAM. It actually does use power. It uses the same power pins. the power supply we're going to throw into this thing. We're just about ready to build, except Jacob, you have a chance to win an upgrade. So right now, I'm going to show you here on the full screen. You have this guy right here, which is not bad. You've got this cooling fan, but your machine's going to be like all the time. And it's going to limit you if you want to do some overclocking, right? So there is a radiator cooler that is very much similar to a car. There's fluid that goes through that pump system, and then it goes through those awesome cool fan blades. This just happens to be the one made by Cooler Master. It's the ML240. It's not on the Amazon chat. It was a late edition. I'm going to give you a chance to win that. Are you interested?
Yep.
So the way you're going to do that is you're going to have to stump me with a Coast Guard question. Do you think you can do this? And the chat. I get some help in the chat, don't I? This could be any. And are we going to have to verify this with Google?
Where is the Coast Guard Cutter Healy home base at?
Oh, I might need the chat on this one.
And what's its tour?
Tour
main role.
Let me pull this down here. So Jacob's asking me the Coast Guard Cutter Healy. Where is its home base and where does it tour? That's Healy. It doesn't sound Hawaiian. I'm looking for any hints here. No. And let's see what else. Could it be Floridian, Florida? That would be a warm destination. California's got a few bases, right?
They do have a lot of bases in California.
If I were to go with a California, no help for the host is what somebody just said in the Amazon chat. Thank you so much. Oh, I think he might be getting an AIO cooler. I'm going to have to go with like San Diego, California.
Wrong. It's right on your nose. Seattle, Washington.
That's in Seattle? Oh, jeez. That's how bad it is. Okay, so Jacob's now won the 240 millimeter AIO cooler, called an all-in-one cooler. I don't have this in the Amazon chat. There's no links to these in the description yet, but you can find these on Amazon. That is the game show trivia part. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the machine, Jacob. You want to see how this thing was built?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay, so this is the case. It is customized to your name initials. What's Delta 201 for people that don't know?
It's my boot camp company.
Yep. And you only get one boot camp company ever, right?
Yeah. Only time you go into like another company is if you get reverted in boot camp. So
which is not a good thing. You didn't get reverted, right?
No, I did not.
Okay. So, and then it is customized on both sides, and it is actually painted. So this is not decals. This is paint. Your sisters and I have been busy working. These are decals, so they are upgradable. Or if you change your gamer tag for some reason. And then, the front is also painted as well. And then it also has decals. Let me pull up a second camera so you can see that a little bit closer. So what's the Semper apparatus?
Always ready.
There you go. So is this thing going to be always ready to game?
Hopefully.
Let's do that.
If not, I'm calling you.
And with that, I want to thank you, Jacob. I will catch you guys all later in a future video. See you later.
See ya.
At the top, I found some relief, you see, so please don't